Expat guilt, something that we know so well, especially as expat women. This season in particular is very triggering. Holidays. Why did I leave? Did I make the right decision? I feel this stomach cramp every time I think about my parents or my siblings or my nephew and niece that I left behind because I moved abroad. Or am I being a good parent? Am I being a good partner? Am I being a good friend because I left or while I'm living here abroad? Or am I being a good expat? Am I seizing enough this opportunity? Am I wandering enough, traveling enough, exploring enough? Do I make efforts to speak the language, to adapt to the culture, etc., etc.? All this guilt from within is something that we have to deal throughout our expat journey. That's one guilt. The other kind of guilt is the one that we get from the outside. Guilt bombs, I like to call them, especially those hidden ones. They are not like very openly guilt bombs, but like, for example, oh, I could never do that. I'm so happy for you, but I could never leave my parents alone while I'm having the life abroad. You know, that kind of comment. Those are the guilt bombs. So we have to deal with external guilt and internal guilt. That's the most damaging one. It doesn't matter with what kind of guilt, or with all of them, maybe, if you're dealing with it. This workshop that I'm offering now, especially for this season, is for you. It is called No Regrets, Bye Bye Expat Guilt. You will get an action plan to deal with all those kinds of guilts, to know how to deal with this annoying relative throwing guilt bombs at you, or when that cramp in the stomach comes because you feel that's too much sorrow, too much remorse, too much regret. I can help you deal with that. In this 90-minute workshop, you will find all the tools and you will find an environment to share your concerns and to see that other people are dealing with that too. Every information you need to know is in the links here down below. Check the link. The workshop is in December the 2nd, that's Thursday, at 6 p.m. Madrid and Berlin, 2 p.m. in Buenos Aires and Santiago de Chile, and 12 p.m. in New York City. If you have any questions, reach out. If not, grab your spot now, because this workshop is going to be amazing and it's going to arm you, it's going to give you strength to cope with what comes ahead. Either if you're traveling home for holidays, or if you can't travel home for holidays, or if you're dealing with guilt constantly or throughout your experience, this workshop is for you. Look at the links below, grab your spot now, and we see each other next week.